Look, Lauren, they did the corin while you were snoring, Lauren. La da da. Finally, they friggin' did it. There's the hayfield over there. I'm in the backyard. This goes for miles. I'm gonna try doing this. I have a camera that goes on my helmet, but we'll try it. Lottie! See, Lauren, all the corn is done, Lauren. 4 miles that goes. Soon I'll be using the snowmobile. You know the deal. Now this is all the corn, Lauren. Now I'm going to the hayfield. You don't have nothing to do with hay, do you? I know it's windy. This is the hayfield. This is where I love driving. It's nice and soft. This is a few miles. Well, it's been nice talking to you. Yeah, it's windy out. What the hell? I don't know if this is going to come out or not. But Lauren, the corn is done. And Merry Christmas on a four-wheeler.